G'day mates, welcome to Uncle Nico's Kitchen Appliance Reviews. And today, I'll be sharing with you my thoughts on this little water distiller that I picked up from Viva for the hefty sum of $89. Now before I start this video, I want to explain one thing, and that is, I do not care if you do or do not buy this appliance or any other thing I show you on my channel. You know why? Because I don't make any money from it. I'm not sponsored by any of these companies. Viva's not putting $10 in my back pocket. I'm sure many of you are happy going down to your Home Depot, grabbing your big jugs of distilled water, carting them home and using them for $1.50 or whatever you pay for them. Great, awesome stuff. But my job is just to show you these things because for some of you, it might be really handy. There might be a little old lady watching right now who goes, I didn't even know that even existed. And yes, I hate driving 40 kilometers or 50 miles, wherever you're watching from, and lugging around distilled water. That would be great.
Excuse me, little old lady. You have change of $1?
Change? No, I'm sorry, I don't.
Oh, well, could you do me a favor and watch my stuff here while I go break $1?
Of course.
Thanks. Hey, I guess they're right. Senior citizens, although slow and dangerous behind the wheel, can still serve a purpose. I'll be right back. Don't you go dying on me.
Or yeah, every time I've gone to the shops in the last 3 weeks, they're sold out of distilled water. So some people will find it handy, and that's why I show you these things. Anyway, 89 bucks. Seems like it's reasonable. Build quality, reviews were very good, but whether or not they're genuine, who the fuck knows. I'll show you how to put it together. It's very easy. I do have some water in it currently. I used it last night. It makes about 4 liters or a gallon of water in 3.5 hours. So not too bad. But basically, you fill this up, tip it in there. It's like a stainless steel type getup. Tip it in there, whack the lid on, just pops on the top. Boom. And then you plug in the power. Just swing that around a little bit. It's got a second power plug there, can you see from the lid? And then you turn it on. Slide the jug up, and that's it. And then you let it do its thing, and it distills the water, puts it in the jug, and you put it in your CPAP machine. It's about as easy as it gets. It's not too loud. It's on now. Can you hear that? Sounds like a CPAP machine on 20 centimeters. I'll turn it off. Just a few things. It does have an automatic off feature when the water evaporates, when there's no water left in it. So it will turn off, but you might also benefit from getting one of those little electrical timers and just setting it for 3 hours so that it just turns off automatically as well. Cleaning aspect, let me show you this. So I've only used it yesterday. This is the water that I got from yesterday. And I'll show you what it looks like on the inside. It's a little bit disturbing, to be honest. All right. So you can see the sort of scale left behind when the water evaporates. Now, from what I can tell, it looks like there's a lot of different brands of the same distiller. So there's obviously just one big ass factory in China just pumping these things out, and they're just whacking different brand names on them. So, you know, check out your Amazon. If it looks like this, it's probably the exact same one I've got. And I guess that's it for today, guys. I really just want to show you that yes, you can make distilled water in your own home. It's relatively affordable to do so, about 50 cents a gallon or 4 liters for my Aussie mates. I'm sorry, please forgive me for the gallon talk. And for some of you, it might be convenient. And that's all she wrote. Have a good day. Cheers.